Hey guys, Kevin with Electric Ease coming to you today to talk about the tools of estimation. We have two types of estimation we're talking about today. We have manual method and we have digital method. I'll start by talking about manual method. If you're a manual method estimator or you're a pen and paper estimator, I would suggest working off of a full set of plans. It's a lot easier than working off of a small plan that maybe you print off from your office printer. Plotters can be expensive. Plotters are the machines that you use to print the large set of plans, but you can go into town and you can have somebody print those off for a small fee. Once you have the plans printed, I suggest 4 tools: a baseball pitch counter, a digital plan wheel or a plan scale, colored pencils, and colored markers. You can use the baseball pitch counter and the colored markers to take off the symbols on a plan, click in the counter each symbol that you check, and you can use the colored pencils to draw in your conduit runs. And I used to use the colored pencils and make a little legend for each one of my conduit runs, whether it was a 3/4 with 7 number 12s or whether it was a 1-inch with some number 8s or something like that. I had a little color legend that I would draw up. Then you would use the plan wheel to go back and wheel off the lines that you've drawn on the plan so that you can calculate your conduit runs. All of this information would be manually written down on a pad of paper or something like that, or entered into an Excel spreadsheet. From that point, it's kind of up to you how you calculate your material and labor. It's mostly longhand, or again, if you've built out some sort of an Excel spreadsheet. The other way you can start to move, which is moving into our second method or our second tool for estimation, which is estimating software. You can use estimating software wholly, meaning you can load PDF plans or digital plans up into the software. You can use Digital Takeoff and move that data directly into your takeoff within the software, or you can use a manual method with your pitch counter and your plan wheel and your pad of paper and then transfer that information into the estimating software manually. Software like Electric Ease is geared towards loading in a plan or using your manual method. It's flexible and powerful enough to estimate smaller projects or multi-million-dollar projects. It's a powerful tool to have in your arsenal to be there when you need it, or if you're using it on a daily or weekly basis. To learn more about Electric Ease or to learn how to be a better estimator, head over to our website at electric-ease.com and sign up for one of our webinars. They're free and loaded with tons of information ranging from estimating, project management, and even basic business practices. They're open to everyone, and did I mention they're free? I hope to see you there.